I have been a consistency queen. I have been uploading mad videos for y'all. I was a little shaky for a little while, but 2023, I've been doing it for you. Your girl is back with a new Get Ready With Me video, hair plus makeup style. I'm gonna show y'all how I installed this wig as well as beat this face from start to finish. I'm gonna show y'all my balm base, my foundation, highlight, contour, and then we're gonna get into this eyeshadow look. I wanted to do something glittery on the lids and I wanted to do a pop of color on the lower lash line. I decided to do a shimmery hot pink. I'm obsessed with it. The skin, flawless. My skin is breaking out right now. This beat looks flawless in person. There's a reason why I continue to use the same products because they never fail me. I want to thank wowafrican for sponsoring the hair tutorial portion of today's video. So if y'all want to know how I got this bomb wig install as well as this beat right here, y'all know what to do. Keep watching, baby. So my wig arrived inside of this box. It also came inside of a satin bag and it came with a bunch of extra goodies to help install my wig. And the wig was very secured in a plastic bag and a wig cap. Here is the natural texture of the hair, y'all. The texture of this hair is a relaxed, light yaki, so you really don't have to straighten it, and it has a bomb texture. It also has the clean mimic natural edges hairline, and it does come pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about customizing or bleaching this hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that excess lace. I am cutting a bit of those edges off because it's a lot of edges, so don't be afraid to cut some off if you want like less edges. So this is a 13x6 HD frontal, so it's gonna lay really nice with my 𝐸𝐵 Wonderlace spray in the black can. I let it get tacky and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull down one side of the lace and lay it. That's how I've been doing it lately. I used to do like the whole thing at the same time, but I like doing one side at a time so I can really worry about just laying the lace on one side and then going back and laying the other side down and not having to do it quickly because the spray has already dried. So the density of this wig is 150%, which is like a very natural density, but I think it works with this texture. The edges are thick, but in my opinion, it makes it look more natural because my edges get really kinked up even when I straighten my hair. So yeah, this looks pretty good. I'm going to apply this elastic band to melt the lace and we're gonna get into this makeup look. We're gonna start off with the base. I'm using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer and I'm applying this all over my skin. This is a nice sticky base that allows the foundation to really grip to it. For foundation today, I'm using my Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 520 Suede W, and I'm pressing this into my skin to get a nice flawless finish. If you want less coverage, use a beauty blender. If you want more coverage like me, then definitely go for a brush. So this next product has been discontinued from Urban Decay, but I have so many backups, so I'm gonna continue to use it. Sorry, but I love it so much. So I use a combination of the Tarte and that concealer for underneath my eyes, and I'm going in with my Black Radiance foundation stick to contour my face. Y'all, my highlight and contour routine takes the longest for my makeup application. Like, it's the longest part of my makeup application, so I like to take my time with this. I like to blend my contour as of late first, and then I go in with my concealer. So I do like my under eye concealer to sit for longer than the rest of my face. So I'm going in with another Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This one is in the shade Deep and I'm applying it to the center of my face. We're going to blend that out first with a damp beauty blender, and then I'm going to blend my under eye area last. So I like to go back and forth between my foundation brush, my beauty blender, and the brush that I use for my nose contour to make sure that I get everything blended out flawlessly. To set my concealer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder in the shade Banana. So I have been doing my brows a little bit different lately. I have been bringing them closer to the inside of my nose area, the bridge of my nose, and I really feel like it's been giving my face a whole different vibe and look. So I've been using 2 brow pencils. I've been using the Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 5, and then I used the Pro Brow Pencil on the inner corner of my eye. To clean up underneath my brows, as well as cancel any discoloration on my eyelids and prep it for eyeshadow, I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5. So to set my entire face, I am using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder in the shade R520. And then I'm baking underneath my eyes with the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana Deep. So I typically don't bake underneath my eyes anymore, but I wanted to do this for fallout because I am going to be using glitter on my eyelids, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm using in the crease is called New Yorker, and then the second shade that I'm using in my outer V is 1988. It is a dark matte brown, and I'm just getting a nice like crease dimension going there. And then I'm going to use my fingers to apply this Barb shade. It's a nice glitter. And then I'm gonna do a small wing liner today. I'm using the Balm Swing liquid eyeliner in black, and this is literally one of my favorite liners. I've been using it for years, y'all. So I ordered a bunch of lashes from Amazon, and this is my first time trying these, but they're super fluffy. The name is crazy. It's called Poop Lunch, but they are nice, fluffy 12 to 18 millimeter lashes. I will link it down below if any of you are interested. I think the length is perfect and they're nice and fluffy. I'm gonna wipe all that extra baking powder from underneath my eyes. There's quite a bit of glitter down there, but as you can see, it's just sweeping away with the baking powder, which is why I like to do that. And for bronzer today, I'm using one of my faves, the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. So now it's time for that pop of color on the lower lash line. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette still in the shade Rezy, and it's like a shimmery hot pink. I'm packing this on the lower lash line. This is my first time using this blush. I knew I wanted to do a pink blush today, so I'm using the Haus Labs Dragon Fruit Daze blush, and it's so pretty, y'all. Like, it's amazing. And then I'm using the Estee Lauder Heat Wave highlighter on the high points of my face just to give it a little shimmer and a highlight. And then the NYX Butter Gloss in Cinnamon Roll, one of my fave nude lip glosses ever. It looks so good, and it definitely complemented this look really great. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in the shade Woodstock. It's a hot pink, and I'm applying this to my lower waterline. And the final step of this makeup look is literally bathing in makeup setting spray. Y'all know how I do. I love when the look comes together, the makeup is done. Now you can see the edges on the hairline of the wig. It looks so good. As you can see, the hair already looks really nice. Since it is a relaxed light yaki texture, I don't really have to straighten it, so I'm not going to. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the parting space on this wig. It is a 13x6 frontal, so you can literally part it wherever and it looks so good. If you do a bald cap method, it's gonna look even better. I just simply have on a wig cap underneath and it still looks bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle parting today. Then I'm gonna take my wax stick per usual and I'm gonna take it around the entire parting area. And then I'm going to use my hot comb on 450 to get that nice and flat up top. It was already pretty flat, but I just wanted to make it more flat. Now I'm just gonna brush through the hair to get it nice and uniform. And this hair is super low maintenance, y'all. And here is the back of the hair. As you can see, even though it's only 20 inches, it hits below my butt. So yeah, it's long. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I truly do appreciate all of the love and support that y'all have shown on my channel. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about this hair and makeup look. Would you rock it? And if you're interested in checking out this wig from 𝐿_African, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already watched my last video, go ahead, click the box right here, watch that video, watch the next video, because I'm sure you have not watched every single video that I've uploaded this year, okay? So you go ahead, you check it out, show your girl some love, and I will catch y'all in my next video.